A big hi to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very exciting video on beauty tools. And yes, I'm very excited about this because beauty tools is something that I keep researching from time to time, and I'm always experimenting with new gadgets in the market. So I discovered, one is an old discovery which obviously everyone knows about, but one is a new discovery which not many people talk about. So this beauty tool is not talked about much, or I haven't seen anybody talk much about it. It is the MDNA, or the Madonna Beauty Roller. On the website it describes it as the Rolls Royce of beauty rollers, and we will find out whether it is or not. So what really sets this roller apart is very many features. So let's start with the design. It is very ergonomically designed, which means it is very easy to hold. It is designed, it tapers and bends at a certain angle, so it is very easy to hold and massage. So that is one. Now for every roller that is made in the market is designed to lift and contour the face, the facial features, and to give it a bit of a good massage and help in lymphatic drainage. This does all that and more. What sets this apart are these high density carbon balls. What that does is that it emits ultra infrared energy, and that energy creates heat within the muscles, and that in turn energizes the muscles and lifts the muscles and contours. These carbon balls can actually melt ice, and I have not tried that myself, but I have seen it on a video online on Madonna's website or on their Instagram post. I did see something that it actually melts the ice. So the whole idea of that is that if it's able to do that, it is able to eliminate the toxins within our skin, which obviously build up over a period of time. So it helps to eliminate the toxins. So in short, it helps lymphatic drainage as well. The other feature about this that I really like is that it has these tiny grooves, which are very fine grooves, and these grooves literally grip to your skin, and they grip to your muscles of the skin, and it really helps to firm, lift, energize. What's the other feature that I really like about this? The ultra-infrared carbon also aids in absorption of your skincare products. So what I do usually is I would just apply a little bit of oil on my face, whichever oil that I would use, and just, on days that I don't have the time to give myself a facial, which I do, at least once a week, I would just apply oil all over my face, and then I would just massage this all over. The amount of pressure that you use will depend on the angle that you hold, and this is from my own personal experience. It depends on the angle at which I hold the roller. So if I hold the roller just like this, I don't create much of a pressure. It's very smooth, so this is like gentle pressure. It's really gentle, and yet it contours. If I use this angle, and that is what really helps in the lymphatic drainage, I find that both angles work fine for me, and both angles help to contour my face. And you can use as much pressure as you want, but initially when you're just starting out, and if it's your first time that you're using a beauty roller, I would say just start off with really gentle pressure and then see how you feel, how it goes. The other thing is that this is just not meant for the face. You can use it all over your body. I have used it on my arms, my neck, my waist, and especially the nape of my neck, because what the other thing about this is it's extremely relaxing. It really relaxes your muscles. So I really like using it at the back. This is where all the tension of the body sits, and when you just massage this up and down, it really feels good. One more thing I wanted to mention is when you're using this on the face, do not go down. You always want to go up, right? So you will start at the jawline first, and then do this like around 10 times or as much as you want, and then you will go here along your nasal veil folds. So put it up here, and then go along your nasal veil folds, and then go on your forehead. 10 on each side is what I've tried, and it works, and on the neck upward again. So that is how you use the roller. You can use it a few times a week. I sometimes use it every day whenever I want, like to get rid of my morning puffiness. I do reach out for this again and again. It has been around 2 to 3 weeks since I got mine, and I'm loving this. I'm absolutely loving this roller. So this roller is not cheap. It retails at $200, and it comes with this nifty little stand. It sits on the stand beautifully. So, I mean, it even looks good on your dresser. I mean, it's really, really pretty. It has a very futuristic design. And I really like the way science and beauty blend to be able to make products like this that we all love. So, again, I don't think it's exactly a gimmicky product. So just to recap the features again, this utilizes Japanese technology and it has been created by Madonna. So these are your high-density carbon balls, which emit ultra-infrared energy, which in turn creates heat within the muscles, and that retexturizes, tones, firms, lifts the skin and the muscles, and provides lymphatic drainage as well. And it is very relaxing. It has these tiny grooves which will literally grip to your skin and your muscles, and that is what gives the contouring effect. It is very relaxing, it is very ergonomically designed, so you can just hold it. You don't have to really struggle with the angles. It's the angle that you hold it in will determine the amount of pressure that you are creating. The other thing is that it very beautifully sits on this nifty little stand, and it retails at $200. So I hope I have covered all the features of this, and I really love this. You can use it every day. There is no side effect to it. There are no chemicals that you're putting on your face. This is something that is your pamper tool. You can use it all over your body just to tone and also to ease tension. You can use it wherever you have achy muscles. You can just use it, and I'm telling you, this really works. The other beauty tool is, which many people have already heard about, but I thought I'll give it a mention nonetheless because it is also something that I love using, and it is the Jade Roller. So this Jade Roller that I have is by Shifa, and Shifa is an amazing brand again. And I usually keep this in the fridge at night, and I use it in the mornings at times. I really like this side of it, the tiny one, because it very beautifully takes away the puffiness of the eyes, and this also helps in contouring. So jade is again a stone which is very cooling, and I mean that's the main feature of this, that it's really cooling, and it's I don't know what it does. It's really relaxing, and it does help to lift, firm, and contour as well. Obviously, the technology of this far surpasses this one. But this has its own role to play if you're just looking at depuffing. I mean, they are two different beauty gadgets. You can't compare the two because they use different technologies. This one is far superior, of course. That's what sets it apart from the other beauty rollers that I've seen on the market, and I have seen quite a few. In fact, I was on the verge of buying the REFA, the Refa roller. I don't know how you pronounce that, but on my trip to Japan, I did see that. And that was also good. I mean, it had a very futuristic design to it. But this one really caught my eye, because when I read up on it, I said, okay, this is what your infrared technology does. What I really liked about this was the infrared, and that it has these tiny grooves which literally grip to your muscles of your skin, and that is what provides you the lymphatic drainage and the workout that your muscles need. So it's a beautiful device. I really like it. So that was the two beauty tools that I use in the mornings or at night whenever I'm looking to depuff, and I think you should try these out as well. They're really good. So based on your preference and your skincare needs, you could invest in either one. They both are really good tools, right? So let me know in the comments below if there are any other products that you would like me to review, and I'd be really happy to do that. So these small changes that we make in our skincare do make an impact over the long run. So I think it is completely worth it. And I think every woman should have either this roller or this roller, because we all have the same problems. We all deal with morning puffiness, or tired eyes, or toxins building up in our skin, and we all want to be well contoured. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up and do remember to subscribe to the channel, because that's how you will be notified as and when I do upload a video. So until next time, you take care of yourselves wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.